A car is a vehicle, usually with four wheels. It is used to transport people, goods or any load. Cars generally run on internal combustion engines or electric motors. They are widely used for traveling, commuting or meeting transportation needs. The first car prototypes began to be developed in the late 19th century. However, it is generally accepted that the first automobile was the Benz patent motorwagen, produced by Carl Benz in Germany in 1885. This vehicle was powered by an internal combustion engine and is considered the forerunner of modern automobiles. Of course, here's more information. A car is a motor vehicle designed to transport people and loads. The origins of the automobile date back to the late 18th century, but the first practical automobile considered to be the ancestor of the modern automobile was the Benz patent motorwagen, built in 1885 by German engineer Carl Benz. This vehicle was a four-wheeled, internal combustion engine-powered vehicle intended to replace three-wheeled horse carriages. Throughout the 20th century, automobiles developed rapidly and became widespread throughout the world. Early cars such as the Ford Model T became more widely available thanks to mass production techniques. Different powertrain systems were used, such as internal combustion engines, electric motors and later hybrid and fully electric cars. Automobiles play an important role in many areas, such as personal freedom, commerce and industrial activities, as well as transportation. Additionally, the automotive industry is closely related to many sectors such as engineering, design, manufacturing and technology. Car manufacturing is a complex process and usually includes the following steps. 1. Design. The production of a car begins with the design phase. Engineers, designers and other experts come together to determine the vehicle's exterior, interior layout, specifications and safety standards. 2. Engineering and prototype. Once the design is approved, engineers produce a prototype vehicle. This prototype is used to test how the design will work in the real world and its manufacturability. 3. Material selection and supply. Suitable materials for car parts are selected and supplied. These materials generally consist of various materials such as steel, aluminum, plastic and fiber. 4. Production. Parts are assembled into vehicles on assembly lines. This process involves a complex assembly process done by robots and human workers. 5. Tests. Produced vehicles are subjected to quality control tests. These tests evaluate various criteria such as performance, safety, durability and emissions. 6. Distribution and sales. The produced vehicles are distributed to sales points and customers. Sales and after-sales services are provided by vehicle manufacturers and dealers. This process covers the basic steps of automobile production, but there are more complex sub-processes under each step. This process may vary depending on the make, model and manufacturer of the car. Vehicle design is done by a team of engineers, designers and marketing experts. At this stage, the vehicle's exterior appearance, interior layout, aerodynamic features, safety standards and technical specifications are determined. Using computer-aided design, CAD, software, a digital modeling of the vehicle is created and tested. Prototype production. Once the design is approved, a prototype vehicle is produced. This prototype is used to evaluate its performance and manufacturability in real-world testing. Prototype production is usually done by hand and then assembled by hand. At this stage, material selection and production of prototype parts are of great importance. Material selection and supply. The materials required for production are determined and supplied. These materials generally consist of steel, aluminum, plastic, fiber and other lightweight materials. Supply chain management ensures that materials are provided on time and at affordable cost by collaborating with suppliers. Production. In the production line, parts are assembled into vehicles on the assembly line. This process is carried out by complex machines, robots and human workers. Automobile production is often done using a just-in-time production method, which ensures that parts are moved to the assembly line only when they are needed. Quality control and tests. Produced vehicles are subjected to quality control tests. These tests evaluate performance, safety, durability, emissions and overall quality. Testing is usually done in a laboratory environment and under real-world conditions. Distribution and sales. The produced vehicles are distributed to sales points and customers. Sales and after-sales services are provided by vehicle manufacturers and dealers. Sales and marketing strategies are determined taking into account target markets and consumer demands. This process covers the basics of automobile production and requires more detail and expertise under each stage. Vehicle production is a complex industrial process and can often take years. Setting up a car factory is a very complex process and involves many different factors. Here are some steps in the general process of setting up a car factory. 1. Planning and research. It is important to determine what type of vehicles will be produced by conducting a needs analysis and to conduct market research. 2. Financial planning. It is necessary to provide sufficient capital for establishing the factory, purchasing equipment, personnel expenses and other costs. 3. Location selection. It is important to choose a suitable location by considering factors such as transportation, supply chain access and workforce. 4. Licenses and permits. It is necessary to obtain all necessary licenses and permits for the business. 5. Acquisition of facilities and equipment. It is necessary to build the production facility or rent a suitable building and purchase or install production equipment. 6. Recruitment and training. It is important to recruit and train qualified personnel. A variety of positions may be available, such as engineers, technicians, operators and management staff. 7. Supply chain management. It is important to manage the supply chain to procure the required components and optimize the production process. 8. Establishing and improving the production process. Continuous improvements should be made to optimize the production process, increase efficiency and ensure quality standards. 9. Marketing and sales. Appropriate strategies should be developed for the marketing and sales of the vehicles produced. 10. Quality control. It is necessary to constantly control and improve the quality of the vehicles produced. Each of these steps is important to successfully establish a car factory, but the details may vary by country and business. Seeking professional advice may also be helpful. Of course, the topic of establishing a car factory is quite extensive. For more detailed information, we can focus on the following topics. 1. Market research and demand analysis. It is important to research what types of vehicles are in demand and how competitive the market is. This helps determine the product range and target customer base of the factory to be established. 2. Financial planning and investment. It is necessary to determine the capital required for the establishment and operation of the factory and to make appropriate financial plans to provide this capital. 3. Technology and equipment. It is important to understand the technology and equipment used in modern automotive manufacturing. Equipment such as robotic systems, automation, and die casting machines play a critical role in optimizing the production process. 4. Production process. It is necessary to plan the process in detail, starting from the design of the vehicles, to part production, assembly and final control. Quality control, efficiency and continuous improvement strategies are important in this process. 5. Workforce management. It is necessary to recruit, train and motivate qualified personnel. An appropriate balance must be maintained between engineers, technicians, operators and management staff. 6. Supply chain management. It is important to cooperate closely with suppliers and optimize material flow. Strategies such as just-in-time production and inventory management support this process. 7. Sustainability and environmental factors. Sustainable production methods and energy efficiency are important to minimize environmental impacts. Waste management and recycling strategies should also be considered. 8. Quality and safety standards. The automotive industry is subject to stringent quality and safety standards. It is important to comply with and maintain these standards. These issues are just some of the basic elements that need to be addressed to set up a car factory. Each of them requires more detail and expertise. There are several critical factors for a car factory to be successful. 1. Quality products. It is of fundamental importance to produce quality and reliable vehicles that will meet the needs of customers. Quality strengthens brand image and increases customer satisfaction. 2. Innovation and technology. The automotive industry is changing rapidly and technological developments constantly offer new opportunities. Investing in innovative technologies provides competitive advantage and meets customers' expectations. 3. Efficiency and process optimization. Continuously optimizing production processes reduces costs and increases efficiency. Continuous improvements must be made in areas such as workforce, equipment and supply chain management. 4. Customer satisfaction and marketing. It is important to adopt a customer satisfaction-oriented approach and give importance to customer feedback. It is also critical to reach potential customers and increase brand value with effective marketing and sales strategies. 5. Skilled workforce and management. A qualified and motivated workforce forms the basis of a successful car factory. Additionally, an effective management team plays an important role in making strategic decisions and managing operations. 6. Sustainability and environmental factors. It is important to invest in sustainable production methods to minimize environmental impacts. Acting in a way that is both environmentally friendly and in accordance with social expectations is important for long-term success. 7. Global competitiveness. The automotive industry is a global arena and competition is intense. Keeping up with global market trends is important to cope with local and international competitors. 8. Good business relationships. It is important to establish and maintain solid relationships with suppliers, dealers and other business partners. These relationships play an important role in supply chain management and marketing strategies. For a successful car factory, these factors need to be addressed in a balanced manner and constantly improved. Of course, we can detail broader information under the following headings. 1. Market analysis and strategies. Conduct market research to evaluate demand trends, customer preferences and competitors' situation. Determine your product range and pricing policy in accordance with the demands of the market. 2. Production process and technology. Follow the latest technologies in automotive production and apply them in your factory. Optimize manufacturing processes and adopt a continuous improvement approach to increase efficiency. Develop the capacity to respond quickly to changes in demand by establishing flexible production systems. 3. Workforce management and training. Effectively manage qualified personnel recruitment, training and performance management processes. Ensure full compliance with occupational health and safety standards and prioritize employee satisfaction. 4. Sustainability and environmental compatibility. Use environmentally friendly production methods and strive to minimize your carbon footprint. Develop recycling and waste management strategies. Strengthen your brand reputation by investing in social responsibility projects. 5. Supply chain management. Ensure uninterrupted material supply by establishing close collaborations with suppliers. Develop alternative suppliers and logistics solutions to reduce risks in the supply chain. 6. Global competition and expansion strategies. Determine entry strategies into global markets and strengthen your plans to gain international competitive advantage. 7. Customer relations and after-sales services. Provide pre- and post-sales support to keep customer satisfaction at the highest level. Continuously improve your products and services by taking customer feedback into account. 8. Legal and regulatory compliance. Ensure full compliance with applicable legal regulations and adhere to business ethics standards to minimize your risks. These comprehensive topics cover the essential elements for the success of a car factory. Each requires detailed planning and implementation. A car factory generates profits in several ways. 1. Sales revenues. The income obtained from the sales of the produced vehicles constitutes the main source of the factory. The sales price of vehicles is determined depending on factors such as production cost and market demand. 2. Spare parts sales. The sale of spare parts and accessories for produced vehicles can also be an important source of income. When customers use their vehicles for maintenance and repair, the demand for these parts increases. 3. Service and maintenance services. Factory-owned or operated service centers generate revenue by providing services such as maintenance, repair and warranty services of vehicles. 4. Financing and insurance. Some car factories offer financing and insurance services to customers for their vehicle purchases. Interest income from these services provides an additional source of income. 5. Export. Many car factories earn income by exporting the vehicles they produce abroad. They compete in international markets and earn foreign currency. 6. License and licensing. In some cases, a car factory can generate revenue by licensing its production technologies or brand name. Factories or partners in other countries can produce their own vehicles by purchasing these licenses. 7. Collaborations and joint ventures. Collaborations and joint ventures with other automotive companies, technology firms or suppliers can provide additional revenue and business opportunities. These revenue sources can be combined with various strategies to increase the profitability of a car factory. Factors such as productivity increase, cost management, increasing brand value and marketing strategies can also affect profitability. Of course, let's detail how a car factory makes money more broadly. 1. Sales revenues. The income from the sale of vehicles constitutes the factory's main source of income. This revenue comes from sales of different models, sales to different markets and special orders. 2. Spare parts and accessories sales. The sale of spare parts and accessories for manufactured vehicles provides a continuous income stream throughout the life of the vehicles. This includes revenue from the sale of original equipment manufacturer (OEM) replacement parts. 3. Service and maintenance services. Factory-owned or operated service centers generate revenue by providing services such as maintenance and repair of vehicles, warranty services and periodic inspections. 4. Financing and insurance services. Some car factories offer financing and insurance services to customers on vehicle purchases. Interest income from these services provides an additional source of income. 5. Export revenues. Factories earn income by exporting the vehicles they produce abroad. This is done by competing in international markets and earning foreign currency. 6. Licensing and royalty revenues. Some car factories generate income for other companies by licensing the technology or brand name they produce. This can be in the form of licensing fees and royalty revenues. 7. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborations and joint ventures with other automotive companies, technology firms or suppliers provide additional revenue and business opportunities. 8. R&D and innovation revenues. New technologies, patents or design intellectual property developed as a result of R&D activities may generate income through licensing or sales. 9. Secondary sources of income. The factory-owning company may generate secondary sources of income through land leases, third-party leases for the use of facilities, or industrial ancillary activities. A car factory's revenue sources are optimized and diversified through various activities and strategies. This is important to increase the profitability of the factory and provide a competitive advantage. There are a few important factors to consider to be successful in car sales. 1. Product quality and diversity. Customers are interested in quality and reliable vehicles. Vehicle technical features, safety equipment, fuel efficiency and other features affect customers' purchasing decisions. Additionally, you can meet customer preferences by offering a variety of models and options. 2. Pricing policy. It is important that vehicles are priced competitively. By conducting market research, you can analyze your competitors' prices and the market's demands and expectations. You can also attract customers by offering attractive financing options and offers. 3. Customer experience. It is important to ensure customer satisfaction at every stage of the sales process. Factors such as sales consultants being professional and helpful, responding to customer requests quickly and effectively, and offering test drive opportunities positively affect the customer experience. 4. After-sales services. Providing after-sales services to customers increases customer satisfaction and ensures loyalty. Elements such as service and maintenance services, spare parts supply, and warranty services enable customers to use their vehicles for a long time. 5. Marketing and promotion. You must develop effective marketing and promotion strategies to promote your vehicles to the right target audience. You can reach potential customers through methods such as digital marketing, social media use, advertising campaigns, events and fairs. 6. Supply chain management. It is important to manage the supply chain well to ensure timely and complete delivery of vehicles. It is important to establish solid relationships with suppliers to avoid problems in material supply and not to disrupt the production process. 7. Competitive monitoring and analysis. Monitoring and analyzing competitors in the market is important to identify market trends and customer demands. You can develop your own strategies by examining your competitors' strategies. These factors are important to consider when selling a car and should be considered together to create a successful sales strategy. Of course, we can detail broader information under the following headings. 1. Market research and segmentation. Identify customer segments by conducting market research and understand each segment's needs and preferences. Analyze factors such as market size, growth trends, competitive landscape and customer behavior. 2. Product strategy and portfolio management. Address different customer segments by diversifying your product range. Meet market demand and gain competitive advantage by managing the new product development process. 3. Pricing strategy. Determine your pricing policy. Create a pricing strategy taking into account product features, competitive situation, cost structure and target profit margin. Aim to attract customers and build a loyal customer base by using pricing tools such as discounts, promotions and financing options. 4. Distribution channels and sales network. Determine your sales network and distribution channels. Reach customers using different channels such as dealer network, online sales platforms, retail stores. Improve delivery processes and increase customer satisfaction by optimizing distribution and logistics processes. 5. Customer experience and relationship management. Take a customer-focused approach and continuously improve the customer experience. Manage customer relationships using CRM, customer relationship management systems. Pay attention to customer feedback and develop strategies to increase customer satisfaction. 6. Marketing and promotion strategies. Develop marketing strategies suitable for your target audience. Use different channels such as digital marketing, social media ads, events, sponsorships, print ads. Organize creative and effective promotional campaigns to strengthen your brand image and increase brand awareness. 7. After-sales services and customer support. Increase customer satisfaction with after-sales services. Provide services such as service and maintenance services, spare parts supply, warranty services. Develop customer support services such as training programs, product renewal offers, loyalty programs to add value to the customer. These comprehensive topics include important elements to consider in order to be successful in car sales. Each requires detailed planning and implementation. There are some important factors you need to consider when buying a car. Here are some of these factors. 1. Budget. First of all, it is important to determine how much budget you can allocate. You can start shopping by researching the vehicles that suit your budget. 2. Vehicle type and size. It is important to determine the type and size of vehicle that suits your needs and lifestyle. For example, you can choose between different types such as sedan, hatchback, SUV, or pickup truck. 3. Fuel consumption and engine power. Fuel consumption and engine power are important factors that affect the performance and operating cost of the vehicle. You can make your choice by evaluating these factors according to your needs. 4. Safety features. The safety features of the vehicle are important for driving safety. You can decide by examining safety equipment such as ABS, ESP, airbags and collision prevention systems. 5. Comfort and equipment. Comfort features and equipment level can make vehicle use more enjoyable. You can make your choice by evaluating features such as air conditioning, automatic transmission, leather seats, multimedia systems. 6. Make and model reliability. The reliability of the make and model affects the long-term performance and durability of the vehicle. You can make your choice by considering factors such as the brand's service network, spare parts availability and customer satisfaction. 7. Purpose and frequency of use. It is important to determine for what purpose and how often you will use the vehicle. Factors such as long-distance trips, urban use or commercial purposes may affect your preferences. 8. Used or new vehicle. While used vehicles are generally offered at more affordable prices, new vehicles come with longer warranty periods and less mileage. You can make your choice by taking these factors into consideration. 9. Insurance and maintenance costs. The insurance and maintenance costs of the vehicle are also important factors that you should take into consideration. Vehicles with low insurance premiums and maintenance costs may be more economical in the long run. These factors are the main things you need to consider when buying a car and may vary depending on your personal preferences. You can choose the most suitable vehicle by examining each factor in detail. Auto trading is the business of buying and selling automobiles and automobile byproducts. This business usually involves trading activities focused on the sale of automobiles, but spare parts, accessories and services may also be part of this trade. Here are some important points about car trading. 1. Selling and buying. Car trading involves buying and selling vehicles. This can be done with new vehicles or second-hand vehicles. 2. Dealers and galleries. Many car transactions are conducted through private dealers or showrooms. These places often offer customers choice by displaying a variety of makes and models. 3. Vehicle valuation. In second-hand vehicle trading, it is important to determine the value of the vehicles. This is done depending on the vehicle's age, mileage, technical condition and market demand. 4. Financing. Some customers need financing for vehicle purchase. Car trade businesses often meet this need by offering financing options to customers. 5. Insurance and warranty. Car sales usually include insurance and warranty services. Customers may be offered insurance and warranty options when purchasing a vehicle. 6. Service and maintenance. Many car trading businesses offer after-sales service and maintenance services to customers. These services are important for regular maintenance of vehicles and solving possible problems. 7. Marketing and advertising. Car trading businesses usually carry out marketing and advertising activities. This is important for reaching potential customers and promoting their vehicles. 8. Customer relations. Customer satisfaction is important for car trading businesses. Good customer relationship management can increase customer satisfaction and encourage repeat sales. The car trade is an industry that is often highly competitive, and a strong marketing strategy, quality services and good customer relationship management are required for businesses to be successful. It is also important to adapt to rapidly changing market conditions. There are several strategies and factors to make a profit in car trading. 1. Choosing the right product. It is important to choose the right tools to make profits. Identify popular vehicles by analyzing market demands and customer preferences and manage your stocks accordingly. 2. Cost control. Keep costs under control by considering the purchase cost of vehicles, maintenance costs, insurance costs and other expenses. Get vehicles at affordable prices by establishing good relationships with suppliers. 3. Pricing strategy. Consider market values, vehicle condition, demand levels and competition when determining the sales price. Price it to leave a reasonable profit margin. 4. Sales channels and marketing. Reach customers using different sales channels. Expand your customer base by promoting your vehicles through dealer networks, online platforms, social media and other advertising methods. 5. After-sales services. Increase customer satisfaction by providing after-sales services to customers. Gain customer loyalty with services such as warranty, service and maintenance services, and post-vehicle delivery support. 6. Good customer relationship management. Establish strong relationships with customers and prioritize customer satisfaction. Providing a good customer experience encourages customers to purchase vehicles from you again. 7. Stock management. Avoid unnecessary stock accumulation by managing your stocks effectively. Diversify stocks and follow market trends to ensure rapid turnover. 8. Following innovation and trends. Follow innovations and trends in the automotive industry. Gain a competitive advantage by integrating new technologies and in-demand features into your vehicles. It is important to adopt the right strategies in car trading and manage your business effectively to make profits. Optimize your business and increase profitability by constantly evaluating customer demands and market conditions. There are several strategies and factors to make a profit in car trading. 1. Choosing the right product. It is important to choose the right tools to make profits. Identify popular vehicles by analyzing market demands and customer preferences and manage your stocks accordingly. 2. Cost control. Keep costs under control by considering the purchase cost of vehicles, maintenance costs, insurance costs and other expenses. Get vehicles at affordable prices by establishing good relationships with suppliers. 3. Pricing strategy. Consider market values, vehicle condition, demand levels and competition when determining the sales price. Price it to leave a reasonable profit margin. 4. Sales channels and marketing. Reach customers using different sales channels. Expand your customer base by promoting your vehicles through dealer networks, online platforms, social media and other advertising methods. 5. After-sales services. Increase customer satisfaction by providing after-sales services to customers. Gain customer loyalty with services such as warranty, service and maintenance services, and post-vehicle delivery support. 6. Good customer relationship management. Establish strong relationships with customers and prioritize customer satisfaction. Providing a good customer experience encourages customers to purchase vehicles from you again. 7. Stock management. Avoid unnecessary stock accumulation by managing your stocks effectively. Diversify stocks and follow market trends to ensure rapid turnover. 8. Following innovation and trends. Follow innovations and trends in the automotive industry. Gain a competitive advantage by integrating new technologies and in-demand features into your vehicles. It is important to adopt the right strategies in car trading and manage your business effectively to make profits. Optimize your business and increase profitability by constantly